मुझे ये नहीं पसंद, ये स्पाइसी है, आई ओनली वॉन्ट रोटी, नो राइस. If you are a mom, you know the struggle. If one day they love something, the other day they feel like it's toxic waste. But here's what I have learned over time: picky eating is not always about the food itself, it's about how they like it. And when you figure it out, mealtime becomes so much easier. Hi, I am Dr. Misbah, a mom of two and a doctor. Today I am sharing real solutions that work for my kids so you can try them too. Let's begin with rice. My kids always refuse to eat rice. No matter how I cook them, they always wanted curry with roti or khubas instead. I always wondered, is it the texture, the taste? What's wrong that they are not liking the rice? Then I figured it out. They were actually scared of the small bones getting into their mouth while eating rice from the chicken or mutton that I added in the rice. So that was the problem, not the rice itself. So what I did was I started making the meat separate and the rice separate so that they can see the bones. Or sometimes I make the vegetable rice or rice with the boneless chicken or chicken shashlik, chicken manchurian, like the Chinese things with the egg fried rice. And believe me, now they like rice so much that they ask me to make rice some days. So that's how my problem got solved with rice, because at one point I totally stopped making rice. This is how I did experiments to make them like rice so that at least we can eat rice also some days of the week. This is why trial and error is so important. What works for one kid might not work with the others, so you have to experiment to find out what clicks with them. Let's talk about fruits. Fruits are an easy and healthy snack, but I noticed something interesting. Every kid has their own favorites. My elder one likes certain fruits while the younger one, he prefers different ones. So what I do is sometimes I give them their favorites separately, and the other times I mix all the fruits together and add a little bit of the sweet tamarind sauce in it, mix everything up and serve them. And they like it that way too. So in this way, they get to eat all the fruits which they don't like to eat separately. The key is variety. Keep serving them different fruits separately, and if you see that they are not eating, give them together, like mix them all and serve them. At least they are eating that way. You will notice that they develop the taste for more options over time. Now the eggs. I thought eggs were an easy food, right? Protein packed, easy to make, perfect for kids. And we as moms want our kids to have at least one egg daily, or if not daily, at least every other day. But when I started giving my kids hard boiled eggs that were easy to make, I noticed that they didn't like to eat them at all. They were so reluctant. So I stopped that. I experimented with different ones. I started giving them the soft boiled eggs. I experimented with the fried eggs and then the omelette. And then I got to know that they love to eat the omelette, especially with the mayonnaise. So on weekends, I started giving them omelettes with the mayonnaise and the bread. And on weekdays, I give them soft boiled eggs or sometimes fried eggs. So this is how we experimented with the eggs, and now they like to eat them. You got the lesson? One food, different styles. Don't give up just because your child rejected the food once. Keep giving them in different ways, different forms, different styles. You will notice a change and you will find out what they like and how they like it. Now let's talk about the spicy foods. Believe me, even if I put a single chili in my food, sometimes my kids will say, Mama, it's so spicy. But instead of making completely bland food that me and my husband also have to eat, I found a simple trick. I started serving them yogurt with every meal. It cools down the spice and make meals more enjoyable. And now my kids automatically ask for yogurt with every meal, even with the lunch and with the dinner. This way they eat almost everything without complaints, and I don't have to cook separate kid-friendly meals. The biggest lesson I learned as a doctor and a mom is that every child is different. There is no one size fits all approach to food. One might like the eggs, fruits and rice this way, and the other may like it different way. The thing is to observe, experiment and adjust according to them. Try different textures, different cooking styles and different ways to serve the food. And don't stress, don't panic, because picky eating is not something permanent and they will eventually grow out of it. keep experimenting, you will obviously see the change. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss more real mom life and doctor approved tips. See you in the next video.